Hola, hola, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look. It is just a very soft, smoky eye with a little bit of shimmer. It's my birthday today, so I wanted to get ready. And if you guys want to see what I used to achieve this look, then let's go. There's a giveaway in this video. Good morning. Today is my birthday and we are just getting ready. It's December 13th and I just want to show you guys, I don't know what the hell is going on there, but we got a little bit of a situation going. I am going to start off by taking my Corrector by Charlotte Tilbury, and I have been using this since I got it. It is a little bit dark. I think I could have gone with medium. I picked up 3, which is tan, and we need to just rectify this dark situation. All right, so we are just going to buff this in. I've noticed that this eye has a little bit more of a dark shadow than this one does up here, but I still put it up there anyway just to make sure that we're even. Today I'm going to use my Nars Foundation in Barcelona. It's one of my favorite foundations. I've been thinking about what products I want to feature in this year's yearly favorites, because I want to make that video for you guys, because even though I haven't been filming consistently, I've definitely worn makeup all year and I have my standout products. And let me tell you guys, this foundation for sure is in the lineup for best foundation or favorite foundation of the year. Off the top of my head, I can think of 3 foundations that I love and just go hard for. Man, I just thought of another one. What do you guys think are my top foundations? Leave it down below. So I have a little bit of a situation. I don't know what happened, but I need to make sure I cover it. We're gonna turn this into a game. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think my top 3 foundations are, just based on you're watching my videos, and you will be entered into a small giveaway. I have a Lisa Eldridge lipstick and lip pencil. The pencil and the lipstick are blush. I will announce that, as well as the Pat McGrath palette giveaway. I need to get those to you guys ASAP, because I don't want to be in the post office during the holiday season, which it's already there, but the closer it gets to Christmas, the crazier it gets. Leave it down below. For my concealer, I'm going to be using the Jouer High Coverage Concealer in the shade Honey. I've actually been using this pretty much every day. I don't think it's my favorite concealer, but it's a good one. And I'm going to let that sit for a little bit, do my eyebrows, blend this out, and then we'll come back to continue this look. So today we're going to be using the Bronze Borealis palette. This is part of the holiday collection that Pat McGrath released, and this is what it looks like. I've been saving this. So I've already primed my eyes, and I'm going to take this shade here, and it's the only matte shade in this palette, and I'm going to use this to create a halo eye. I can kind of still see the red coming through. I don't know what's going on with my lip, but hopefully it stays the way it is so that it doesn't peek through my makeup. This is a really pretty shade. I thought that this palette looked really familiar to a lot of the shades that she's put out, but you gotta give it to a lady. They look the same. They're definitely not. I think I'm going to take the lightest shade in the palette and pop that in the center of the lid where there's no shadow. I'm now going to take the brown shimmer shade in this palette and just lightly dust that into the crease. And yes, it is a shimmer shade, but we're still going to use it. I'm going to take a little bit of this shimmer shade and apply it on the lower part of the shimmer, or the center. Yeah, just so it gives you a little peak of bronze. Okay, so I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand, and this is in light medium, and I just let the product come out, let it go back in, seal it, and then I'm going to buff this out a little bit. And then as you guys can see, I did apply mascara to the top and lower lashes, and I was debating on doing a liner, but I really like just how soft this is, because you guys know I don't wear makeup like this every day. But this is pretty and soft, and if I really wanted to smoke this out, I could add something to the lower lash line, but I do like just how gentle this look is. And then obviously if I look down, you can see I have on a little bit more makeup. I like the way that the shimmer looks in the crease. I'm really digging the way it's turning out. For blush, we're going Patrick Ta. I'm actually going to use the center shade here because it's the only shade I haven't touched. And I'm going to start off by taking the powder, and I'm using a MAC 137. I love this brush for really bright or intense colors because it just deposits the right amount of product and it's not crazy. Okay, so now we're going to take the center shade, and I'm using a sponge, or the cream shade I should say. I know this looks crazy, but trust the process. Forgot that I was going to apply highlighter today, but this is Lunar Nude. And I'm just going to take it to the high points of my face. My daughter is sleeping, and I just keep thinking like I need to edit this video and I need to do my hair still, and hopefully it comes up on my birthday. But if not, just know the effort and the thought was there. So I feel like this look is lacking something a little special. So we're gonna take I'm going to take my Pat McGrath Intensify wand, and I'm going to place it in the center. I just feel like I need a little something. So I'm going to use the Utopian palette, and I'm going to take this shade here, which is the top shade in this palette, and just pat this guy in the center. And I'm going to take some of this shade here, which is a really pretty bronzy color, and I'm going to put that in the center also. This bronze shade and this color together is giving me just something a little bit more fancy, and it's giving me more of the vibe that I was going for. So I'm just going to take my brush that I used to apply the inner and outer corner shade and just use that to basically make sure that everything stays in place. Let me tell you guys, I'm happy with this. So for my lip, I'm going to be using Lisa Eldridge Velvet Intrigue. Alrighty, so this is what we have for today. I love the way that this turned out. I do think that that little pop of color made a huge difference because it just gives this look a little bit more shimmer, pizzazz, and I'm happy with the way that everything turned out. If you guys are interested in winning the Lisa Eldridge lipstick and lip pencil, please be sure to leave a comment down below letting me know what your guesses are for my top 3 foundations. And thank you guys so much for spending your precious time with me on my birthday. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.